Radiant solar racking offers a vast range of mounting solutions, and when it comes to laying panels flush to a corrugated roof, the Radiant Tin Wave Support System is the best in the business. The Radiant Wave Support Tin Leg is designed with ease of install in mind. It has a corrugated round base, fitted with EPDM rubber to fit perfectly to the roof. This is a real sell to the property owner, as this feature ensures no damage to the roof surface with a flush fit. Radiant also offer the Wave Support Tin Leg with a 360-degree swivel plate, if it's required, to turn the rail, directing base rails any direction on the roof. Finally, the Wave Support Tin Leg also has adjustment for uneven roof terrain, both vertical and horizontal. Once all the Wave Support Tin Leg are installed to the roof, it's a simple click in of the base rails. Like all Radiant systems, the Wave Support Tin Leg includes the Radiant rail clamp for easy connection of the base rail. The installers will then be ready to install the solar panels. Radiant uses spring-loaded middle and end clamps that click into the base rails to hold the solar panels. When it comes to putting solar on Australian rooftops, think Radiant solar racking for quality and reliability with your next install. If you would like to learn more about Australia's fastest racking systems, contact us today.